March Madness, and it is March 29th, 2022. I mean, I'm in a snore fest. I'm shirking responsibility to berserk. I don't want and don't like this avenue, this boulevard, this la rue. It's what has turned out in this world. It is not where I come from, and it is not where I belong. And when I am in serious danger in this world, which I have been for some time, there are visitors. There was a visitor that I would qualify perhaps as the Horn, eligible to call himself such. He said he was a paratrooper. I didn't know what that meant. He said to look it up online. I said, I'm not good with the internet. And the next time and then when I saw him, he said, did you look it up? And I said, I don't think so. And then he asked me once again later on. I said, I think I tried to look it up. There was no such thing on the internet. He says, no. He says, I know. We have a page. I said, it's not on my internet. Again, I have this MaxiPad internet. It's some kind of personalized in the entrapment of schnook and sloth in some encased whatever. So again, Snorefest. In like an old Norse way. I don't want to wear the bear head myself. There are plenty of aptly born Isle of Man representatives that wear the bear head. I just am tired of being brotherless and personless and member serviceless. It's been far too long, and it's too much to ask of one. Especially not being of this earth or of these things. Star 1978, Star 8378, Nicole, Cattaruzza. It's Earth, Solar System, Milky Way Universe, Galaxy is broken, and it's Bayside Station. Bayside, New York, 11361.